yeah, the Macho Man has finally received the Steel Series Sensei 310. Lewis, your tips during my exam period helped to afford this bad boy, and now the cream of the crop is gonna unbox this. After what seemed like literally 30 minutes of fighting, I finally figured out that there was some fucking tape on this, and now the Macho Man, Robot Savage, is about to open the box. Alright, here we go. The Macho Man is now doing the very unmanly thing of reading the setup instructions, and it says to just plug and play. Okay, the Macho Man has enough brain cells to do this. Alright, with the power of all 6 of my brain cells, the Macho Man Robot Savage has connected the Steel Series mouse. Now, will it work? Oh, it's already working. It's handling like a fucking dream. Let's see it in action. Ladies and gents, the Macho Man Robot Savage is back here again because you've seen my unboxing video. You've seen me get my new Steel Series mic, mostly sponsored by the homie Lewis. But now the cream of the crop is gonna test it out in game. Oh yeah! After all, it was Dauntless that made me famous. So let's see how it does in Dauntless right now. Oh. Okay, so cutting the voice out for a second, I really forgot to actually like farm shit. Also, I'm gonna be doing this practically blind because, as you know, I play with my glasses on because I can't see. But you know, Macho Man is too good to give up, so I have to play with the sunglasses on. But I should still be able to do relatively well. So let's try out the Steel Series mic and see Steel Series mic, Steel Series mouse, and see how it functions in a hunt. Alright, so we go into the same place that I went to earlier, Hades Reach. Yeah, let's go in there. Private hunt. Let's go see. I'm actually eager to see how this performs in a video game. The mouse is so much smoother. I really do like the quality, the way it glides across the mouse pad. Sensitivity is a bit low, but you can tune it up if you need to. But I mean, for me, it's not a problem. Like, I'll just literally tune up in-game sensitivity if I need it. But I'll have to test and see because honestly, I feel kind of comfortable with it as is. So I'll adjust accordingly. We know this is part of the fun of like having a new item. So you know, I really got to thank Lewis because during my exam period, when you know he dropped quite a few tips on me, and that actually really helped me to afford the mouse. So I basically owe it to him. Now I think one of my biggest tippers is Sean's. Thank you very much. If we get a new gaming keyboard, that'll be on you, buddy. I think I'm like $50 away or something, so that's nice. Hopefully can get that too. But now that, you know, we have our YouTube partnership, we are making a little bit of money off YouTube. It's gonna be good. I'm hoping to finally be able to pay my rent, things like that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Either way, Macho Man thanks you, and he knows you're about to enjoy him kick ass with the new Steel Series mouse. Oh yeah, the cream of the crop is gonna go kill some behemoths while blind. Because I really can't see shit. I mean, I can see this patrol chest, but I'm mostly going by hearing, like some kind of fucking Daredevil echolocation bullshit here. Because I can roughly see I can see the map directions clearly, but my astigmatism like makes things blurry. So I will try to roughly get it going. I mean, I shouldn't die too many times, right? I just mainly want to see how this mouse functions in combat. What is it, a quill shot? Looks like a quill shot, from what I can see. It is a quill shot, okay. Oh yeah! Macho Man! Oh, shit, I forgot. I'm so used to the commands on, what you call it? Dark Alliance, because we played for like 10 hours yesterday, me and my wifey, for our Sunday date day. Played for around 10 hours, it was really good, and dodge there is F, because I've got it swapped around. So my jump is obviously my spacebar, and my dodge is... Now this is why I like Avenging... Oh shit. This is why I like Avenging Overdrive though. So good. Anything that comes your way, just literally block it. And the block duration lasts for a fair amount of time too. If you're good with your blocks, as soon as it attacks, this thing's gonna die. Oh yeah. Oh, that is fucking sick. And I feel so comfortable just doing that. Like, I'm playing, barely able to see the screen. But it's feeling really, really, you know, I heard the reviews that said that this mouse had, like, flimsy buttons and whatnot. No, the buttons feel just light and solid as long as you don't have to click too hard. You know, I'm just using a minimum of force to do what I need to, and it feels really, really good, to be fair. Like, if I'm honest, it just feels really good. So I'm not clicking heavily, which is good. For the previous mouse, I had to do a bit of that. There's really a lot of leeway for your blocking, everything. Wow. Like, it just feels so fucking comfortable in my hands. So again, I gotta say thank you, Los. It's been a dream having my own pro gaming mouse, and you've made it so that the people's champion can now entertain the people on another level. So thank you very much. I'm hoping and praying that we can get the new keyboard soon too. So thank you very much. That is gonna be amazeballs. Thank you. I'm wowed by the support and by the performance of this mouse. So Series Sensei has my honest vote of confidence. Yeah. Hey, Series, if you ever see this video, okay, I'm gonna be a huge YouTuber in future. So you want to send me all your products? I will. I don't want an affiliate status. I just want a straight up partnership. You give me your products, I will happily use them on every stream and tell people that they're great, because they are. Not because I am a dishonest man. Because if I was ever dishonest, I think my fans would kill me first. Alright. This has been great. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Okay, fuck it. Let's do one more. I can't resist. I can't resist. One more. One more time. Oh, that music's got me feeling so free. I'm gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance with me. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, one more time. Okay, first of all, Beedrill, I got a new mouse. You are spooked. How dare you even try and strike me down? Look at this. Look at this evil Beedrill, huh? What you get, Beedrill? That's what you get. Told you. You're not supposed to try and take on the macho man himself. No. That's not what you can do. Can barely see the creature now with these glasses on, but I'll just resolve it. Should be alright. Oh yeah, knocked it down. Fuck you. Haha. Feels so good not to have a dodgy left click, to be fair. Avenging Overdrive charges really fast. Have you noticed that? I think it charges faster than any of the other alts. I mean, it could just be me, but I think it genuinely does charge faster than the other alts. And that is glorious. Oh yeah. Okay. So ladies and gents, the Macho Man has tested out his lovely Steel Series mouse. I know you can't. Fucking camera. Show it to them. There we go. Sorry, because I'm using the VCam software, I don't actually have a green screen. To put a forward one. Mouse. There. Out of reality into reality. The Macho Man likes the Steel Series mouse. Thank you, Lewis. And if you guys want to help me afford my next gaming keyboard, send your spare change using the link in the description to my tip pool. But as always, thank you so much for viewing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the cream of the crop, the people's champion, Macho Man Robot Savage, is gonna have more content for you very fucking soon. Oh yeah. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate you.